air outside your house. Sometimes it's hot, sometimes...
Hey, what's up, guys? Your guy, Crypto Chuck, back here, the group Crypto Black. We're back at it again, baby. Hope you guys are having a great day. I know that I am. Sorry about that, guys. Trying to get some stuff loaded up over here, but, you know, the land of computers don't want to work for everything, so we got it going. But, yeah, man, today, man, we're going to have a good day, man. Good day. Thanks to everybody for coming in, checking us out. Maybe we're gonna have a great day today, man. So, guys, make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys are following to all different social medias. It's your guy, Crypto Chuck, here with the group Crypto Black, baby, back at it again. And, guys, today's Wednesday, guys. Today's a Wednesday where we actually, the market's going to be crazy. So, and plus we got the Fed meeting today, so we got Powell coming out. The rate decision is going to be less than an hour, 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, guys. Make sure you guys buckle up for that. Also, guys, we're going to start talking around 2:30, and the market going to be swinging and moving based upon everything he's saying. So, guys, make sure you guys are all set for that as well. And, man, we're going to make sure that we don't get caught up. A lot of people get caught up. Make sure you guys are... if you're going to be trading during those times, make sure you have your support resistance set up. Make sure you take your profits, guys. Don't try to be a moon boy. Don't try to be a moon girl. That's how people get caught up. People get caught up trying to be moon boys and moon girls. All right? So make sure you guys don't get caught up in that. I don't want you guys to get caught up and lose a lot of money. Actually be ahead of the game, make a lot of money, then turn around and lose the money. You know what I mean? Trying to outsmart the market. So I don't want you guys doing that. So we will make sure that you guys... make sure you have your support and resistance set up. I'm going to go over a little bit today in the live. But today, man, we're going to talk about Bitcoin, FOMC, and we'll talk about Polygon, man. Polygon, the Q2 data, basically with a lot of things they got going on. And we already know Polygon, is definitely something that's going to be, it was round. It went pretty big, you know what I mean, in this 2020, 2021 bullish market. And we're gonna do this. It might build on top of that. But he's at the price that everybody said they wish they bought it at before. So this is what you want to do. But yeah, guys, also we'll have a Q&A. live Q&A right here in the chat, but we're gonna give you some time so you be prepared. You know what I'm saying? I already have my exchange, everything set up on my other computer, so you know what I mean, for when I'm ready to trade. But guys, make sure you follow us on Twitter as well. You guys see right here, man, yesterday, man, last night, should I say, we if you guys took the 2 week challenge we had back in May, you guys know what we did with the alerts. So last night we had that push up, we did the same thing. You know what I mean? The alerts still coming in, the alerts are still hitting. So everybody did came over to our trading group. They actually got a chance to actually still be taking these. So you guys see right here, we bought 8. You know what I mean? Bought 8, and look what happened. You know what I mean? Bought 8 at 12.38, and then look what happened. You know what I mean? Actually went crazier than that. You know what I mean? But those just quick moves that we making, especially when we're using leverage. So we making money off of that. Also, guys, having the right tools. So make sure you have the right tools to trade. I did go CoinGlass a little bit last week in my live, and then you guys see what we did right here with that. So we make sure we have our support resistance set up so we'll be able to take advantage of these opportunities, because you want to take advantage of opportunities, you guys will make sure you're in the right trades, and make sure you follow me on Twitter, because I also like to post some things out as well to where you guys will make some money, all right? But man, you guys seen the video we already did with the Bitcoin Classic. So, but man, let's talk about today, man. Let's talk about the Fed. But follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram, also on TikTok, all different social media you guys see at the bottom right now. But man, I said Bitcoin heads into FOMC day on 24-hour highs amid concern over 24.3K top. The Feds keep markets on their toes while Bitcoin price action manages to inch higher prior to the Wall Street open. So we see Bitcoin traded in that box, guys. We pushed up to that 50-day moving average, in which that I did say that I'm looking at we could do. Push it to this 50-day moving average, and then got rejected there. Try to get there again, but we got rejected again, which was 20. Looking at what 24, we like 24, like 24.3, like what we just seen here. But the main one we kept getting rejected right here, 24.886. We got rejected on that 50-day, pushed back down, guys, hit my support, and then we fell through it, and we trying to push back up again. We trying to stay out this box, guys. We trying to stay out this box, all right? And what we do what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So from when we got out that box, it's 9 days since then. Pushed up, got rejected. We still staying in that ribbon. Got out just a little bit. We're pretty much still right in that ribbon. But we want to see what the Fed do today. Fed could push it down. I'm seeing a nice little support right around here by 20,000, by 20,800. Make it easy for you, but really 20,776. But 20,800 make it easy for you. I'm seeing a nice little support there. If we go below that support line, guys, we can keep pushing down. Do I see 17, 18,000? No, but we can still push down probably a little bit below 20,000 if the rate decision is really high. Now, a lot of people are thinking the rate decision is going to be 75 basis points. It's 75 basis points. We still going to see a move regardless, guys. So if you are going to be trading, doing shorts or longs, just make sure you have your support and resistance set up so you're not get caught up in the madness. But what you want to do is you're gonna see that short move. Make sure you take your profits, all right? Because the problem is it'll keep moving. It'll move down or move up. It'll push up. Now the upside, guys, I'm gonna say if you're gonna push up to about 22.850 basically, and then about 22.850 to 22.9, and then really I would take profits really at 23.886 if we do push up a crazy. But that'd be a crazy move, up if we do that. That I don't think we'll do an 8% move, but that's the moves I'll be doing if I'm trading Bitcoin, and that's what I'll be doing right there. But we want to stay out this box, and that's the thing. Staying out this box is the main key. But yeah, I don't see 17,000 unless something crazy. They go they do 100 basis points or 125 basis points. Yeah, you're gonna see the market go crazy. It's gonna just drop like a rock. But remember, tomorrow we got GDP numbers as well, guys. So 8:30, so another big move tomorrow, 8:30 as well. But while the Fed is speaking, I really wouldn't trade while he's talking because it's going to be moving up and down, up and down. You can trade that initial rate decision, and you can make your money from there, from the initial rate decision. Get in, get out. All right, I'm telling you right now, you don't want to be playing around with that. You don't be playing around at all, because it will make a move and then it'll reverse on you, and you'll be mad because you'll be up like $1,000, $2,000, or maybe $500, and then end up being down. You know what I mean, 500 to 1,000. So you don't want to do that. All right. So yeah. So man, it says that now the 24,000 resistance is not a good sign. Data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and Trading View confirm a 24-hour high for BTC prior to Wall Street on July 27th. Wall Street open, so the pair has sunk below 21,000 in the first portion of the week, heightening nervousness among traders already wary of potential headwinds in the United States Federal Reserve. So the 27th is set to reveal the Federal Reserve open, basically the next base rate hike expectation fitting between 75 and 100 basis points in size, favoring the former, but however are unlikely favorable for cryptocurrency as they reflect worries over both inflation and a willingness to bring the economy closer to recession containment. And we will know tomorrow, guys, officially at 8:30 tomorrow Eastern Standard Time tomorrow morning, if we're going to be officially in a recession. All right. So reclaiming the range high would result in a long position being open as long as we remain above. So as others look beyond the Fed event to warn that even Bitcoin's recent trip to multi-week highs was not enough to change its overall bearish trend. Rejection for Bitcoin despite the absence of supply at 24K. So neither TA nor on-chain volume profile saw this level as resistance, with realized price bands being the only one hinting on a possible rejection. So we got to see here, say a one-off rate hike. So discussing the potential impact of Fed further. Meanwhile, trading firm QCP Capital said that historical precedent was in fact on the side of hodlers. Yeah, I mean, you hold your crypto, you keep dollar cost average, and keep accumulating over time, man. You're gonna be happy. I'm telling you right now. So additionally, there's a good chance that Powell will indicate that this 75 basis point hike is a one-off, and that the Fed will be reverting to 50 basis point on account of slowing growth and inflation easing up. He say that while he's talking, you're gonna see the market just like push straight up. With commodity prices falling across the board, markets will react positively to this. So if he start talking at 2:30, now I'm telling you, I wouldn't trade. I'm telling you, I wouldn't trade around that time when he's talking. It's just hard, man. I'm telling you, it's like boom, boom, boom. He'll say one sentence and like boom, and then he'll say nothing, like, boom. It's crazy. So it does not mean, however, that the rate announcement will be without its market jitters. So markets have been much more sensitive to data releases than FOMC. Realized volatility have been consistently higher post CPI than post FOMC. Yeah. CPI numbers really been hitting hard. Like they've been really, when the CPI numbers come out, like the markets like go crazy. I mean, we made a lot of money shorting earlier this month when the CPI numbers came out, 9.1%. So guys, I mean, with inflation, I mean, it was crazy. So, it had the CPI numbers really been going crazy. But the good thing, guys, the Fed gonna take a vacation. They're not gonna be back until September. So we're not worried about any rate hikes next month. Okay, that's the good thing. All right, GDP could be, GDP numbers obviously, because until another 3 months for third quarter. With third quarter numbers. So, we'll see how that roll, but we're good. I think we might have a good August. September usually bad. So, I think we might have a good August for crypto and for the markets overall. But I could be wrong. So I don't want to say it is, but I think we might have a good August. All right. So let's get right into it. So it says Polygon QT data shows significant growth in the ecosystem. Polygon recorded significant growth in the ecosystem in the second quarter, scoring new partnerships and growth. Polygon is a layer 2, guys. I'm telling you right now, is the layer 2 that really want to, really take it over. I mean, I've been loving Polygon for a while, so it definitely helped me out last summer when the market was down, and I was able to utilize Polygon, man, make some some good gains with Polygon, especially with the whole ecosystem. So the whole DeFi thing. So, and a lot of devs gonna be building on top of it. So that's definitely something that I'm looking forward to in the future with Polygon. So the average transaction cost of MAG had declined 49 cents to 0.018 cents during the second quarter, according to statistics released on July 26th. The network reported that the total transaction process during the second quarter rose 4% to 284 million, and revenue came in at a little over 5 million. So it says ready for Q2 stats. Polygon POS is now home to 5.34 million unique addresses, a 12% increase from Q1. Total Q2 transaction increased 4% at 284 million. Average cost per transaction fell 49%. Let's take a look at DeFi gaming NFTs. So a lot of people be building on Polygon, I'm telling you. So it says the quarterly insight dived into Polygon decentralized finance ecosystem, revealing some of its top performers. Bungie, a bridge aggregator, saw its transaction volume spike by 972%, while its user base rose by over 1,000%. It is now the fifth biggest DeFi platform on Polygon with 90,000 users. Other DeFi platforms like 0x and MesherSwap also entered the top 10. MesherSwap is a decentralized exchange deployed on Polygon in the second quarter, has already processed 1.6 million transactions, added 91,000 users. So even, in time of turmoil, and on top of that, guy, we dealing with CeFi, people money getting caught up and everything. So a lot of money came over to DeFi. So listen, I'm not messing with CeFi anymore. It's too centralized. They can just walk away with our money and do whatever they want to do. So let me just park my money over here in DeFi, which is smart. Very, very, very smart. You want to do that, guys. So you're seeing a lot of these platforms, like you see, up 970%. You know what I mean? User base, or you know what I mean, or 1,000% user base. You're getting 90,000 more users in one quarter. So it's growing, and a lot of people say, "Oh man, crypto this, crypto that." Yeah, but you gotta understand, it's a technology people are using. It's not all about what the price is for a lot of things. It's about the user base. The price will follow in time. So if you gotta get the users on there. You know what I mean? So you're not asking, like, say you run a Walmart or something like that. You got a Walmart store, or you know what I mean. You're not saying, hey man, how much we make every time you turn around. It's like, how can we get people inside the doors? How can we get people inside shopping? When you get people inside, they'll start shopping. Then we'll make the money. The problem with a lot of people, they get inside this in the crypto space, they just worry about the money. But you understand the technology, you understand what you're into, and that's not how things work. You have to understand you're inside of a technology, then that technology will make money. Just like if you get on with Facebook say, listen, let's try to get as much people in as possible. More people, more users. Now that we got all these people inside, we can sell all that information. It's not about money. The people that just think about money all the time usually lose, because they don't understand. They put the cart before the horse. All right. So NFTs on Polygon. NFT projects on Polygon had a fair second quarter despite the bear market. OpenSea added 1.2 million new wallets on Polygon in the second quarter, taking the number of unique active wallets to 1.51 million. New mints transaction increased by 50%, and the transaction volume of the platform reached 122.45 million after rising by 47%. Now that right there is good. New users increased by new transactions by 50%, and the platform reached over 47%. You know what I mean? Got another 122.45 million in a bear market in the quarter that we had. I'm telling you right now, man, Polygon's where it's at. Gaming protocols also had a great quarter on the Layer 2 network. Aavegotchi gained 102,000 new users as it launched the Gotchi Land. Others like Planet, and the Sandbox, Arc 8, and the Dustland also significantly increased their user base. And I believe Sandbox actually going full-blown Polygon. So that right there is another story within itself. So Terra project migration and new partnerships. I said this on the DCG call, I believe, last week. So it says Terra, Polygon also welcomed new projects from the collapsed Terra ecosystem during the quarter. So Terra Projects has begun migration over 48 projects and counting, including one player NFT and exclusive 0x Polygon Marketplace, Derby Star. So a lot of new, a lot of projects is leaving. Obviously, after Terra is done, a lot of projects is actually leaving, or pretty much they're coming from Terra over to Polygon. That's the chain that they're actually using, Polygon. That's that layer 2. The EVMs, I'm telling you guys, is out of this world. So it says Ryan Watt, Polygon CEO, said that the network was accepting these new projects with open arms. Aside from that, the Layer 2 platform also became the choice network for major brands like Stripe, Liverpool Football Club, and several others pivoting into Web 3. So, guys, as you guys see, Polygon is not playing. Another one that's not playing is BNB, Binance Smart Chain as well. Binance Smart Chain is not playing. So they're gonna be building. They're building a lot, especially on the NFT space. The NFT space, you're looking at Magic. You got Magic Eden, obviously Solana. So you got Solana, BNB, and you got Polygon. Those are gonna be very, very, very far as NFT wise, gaming, things like that. But when you're looking at layer 2, obviously Polygon is where it's at. You're looking at layer 2, Polygon and BNB. A lot of partnerships. BNB just has utility. Obviously, you got Binance, which is the biggest exchange by far. I mean, it's not even close. Not even close. All right. So and you got a lot of new, a lot of developers building over there on Binance as well. But man, we're about to do the Q&A. I want to get off of here by 1:30 so I get ready for the Fed rate decision at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I want to get some of this easy money. All right, this easy money. So yeah, guys, put your questions in the chat. If not, what we'll do, we'll finish this off and we'll get everything going. But yeah, man, this right here about to be this Fed decision. And guys, you can watch it on. I usually watch my Fed rate decision on CNBC live. I usually have my laptop sit right there in my lap. Fed decision, like, and then they be like, and the dude come on there with the rate. Fed's going to increase the rates to 50 basis points or 75 basis points, and then the market say, what the market say? Hop in, I get my money. I already have my support resistance already set up. Hop in, I get out, and that's it. That's it. You make your money, and you get out, you walk away. It's just like a quick scratch off that you can do real quick, and you'll make a few $100 or $1,000, $2,000. You walk away. You don't keep going back trying to get more scratch offs. All right. So I don't want to really put it too much like gaming, but just it's funny that gambling or whatever. But I like to use that analogy because you just want to go in that direction. When you trade, you only want to be you want to trade in that direction that it's going. A lot of people try to go outside and try to go against the market, think they're smart in the market, and they get that smacked. All right. So what you want to do, you want to go with the market, flow with the river. You know what I'm saying? And that's what you want to do. You don't want to be going against the market. That's the problem. A lot of people go against the market when you don't have to. It's easy. The market say, look, we going down. And you shorten, go down with the market. But you should be disciplined. Be disciplined. Have your support lines there, right? So when it is going down, you say, you know what? Cool, goes down. And boom, if it just busts through support and it's dropping like a rock, then you can say, okay, cool, drop like a rock, but I'm still gonna take my profits, even though if it dropped like a rock like crazy, or I can just adjust my my stop loss down to where my support was at. So if it do go all the way down, come back up, at least I got my stop loss right there, right? And you drag your that's why you have your supports set up. You drag it to the other support line. You take profits, and you still have your stop loss at that first support line where you was gonna take a risk, take profit. If it's just dropping like a rock, but if it's doing like boom, dropping down and then come push it back up, dropping down. Nah, take your profits and walk away. Take your profits and walk away. All right. Same thing for pushing up. You know what I mean? Same exact philosophy. Don't get greedy. You get greedy, you lose all the time. You lose way more than you'll win. What's his name? The boxing. What's his name? George Foreman. I guarantee. No, I guarantee it. Just hold my breath, waiting for the Fed. Yep. Yeah. I mean, wait for the Fed. The Fed's going to make the decision. We're going to make our money, regardless. Or if you're nervous, if you're too nervous, don't trade while you're nervous. You know what I mean? Don't trade while you're nervous. You know, take a chill pill. Drink some tea. Well, it's pretty hot right now. Drink some iced tea, and relax. Woosah. You know what I mean? Tomorrow you have GDP numbers come out. You can sit to the side. You can sit to the side. You can chill. Just take the time to buy some. You know, just have your support resistance line set up. You all set and ready to go. You know what I mean? You have once you have a plan in trading, you're good. You're fine. As long as you have a plan. But if you don't have a plan, then that's where you start getting bit up. That's where you start getting ate up like crazy. You don't have a plan in trading. So you should always have a plan in trading, guys. Always. If not, you'll get bit up. Yeah, right here. So, for example, I'm gonna give y'all one right now. Well, I gave it to you earlier, but I'm gonna give it to you right now. I'm gonna give it to you right now. If I'm gonna be taking profits, yeah, right here. I do 20,008. If I'm be taking profits, if it just drops like a rock, you talking about right here. And that's a good trade right there. That's a real good trade. And then for the short term, you want to go too crazy, you can do it right here by 23. You can do it at 23 if you want to for the short term. Or you go right below it. Yeah, short term. Yeah, about 22.8. And there you go. So if you're going to be trading, you're doing Bitcoin, you can push it up here by 22.8. So, and that's what you can play with today, that range. You play with that range right there today. As far as and being to where you like, and they're gonna push it right now, right before the Fed. They can push it up for it to drop. So be careful with that as well, guys. And yeah, and what we'll do, we'll come back and I'm gonna screenshot it, take a picture of it, and tweet it out tonight at the hits. But yeah, guys. But man, we're gonna see a nice little push up. Shout out to everybody out there right now. If you are inside position that you've been in for the last few days, guys, you also can take some profits right now as well. But they can push it up just to push it back down again. So so guys, just be careful out there. But man, we're gonna look out for right here, man. For right here, for where we at right now. We're gonna look out for that joint to drop down, push up, and man, we're gonna make our money. It's about the money. All right, but yeah, guys, I don't have any more chats. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna actually get up off of here, get ready for the trade, and man, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. But guys, make sure you follow me on Twitter, Instagram. I'll do more lives on my Instagram as well. So follow me on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok as well, right below. And we're gonna do something real. I talked to my man Mike Miller. We're gonna do something real special. Before the summer is out. For everybody, so we might do another 2-week thing. We'll see. We're gonna see what we're gonna do. All right, but I want you guys to make sure you make money. Make sure you take advantage of opportunities, guys. Opportunities there, and the people that's giving out opportunities will not always be there as well. So it's getting towards the holiday season, especially with me. Holiday season come around, I chill because I got my birthday, and then I got holiday, and then we got the holidays. I'm hanging out with family, and I'm chilling, man. But yeah, I'm gonna holler at y'all. Make sure you guys have these numbers right here, guys. So if you do want to trade, you actually come over and use these numbers. It push up, push down. You're going in the right direction, and you're disciplined enough to take your profits. All right, disciplined enough to take those profits. But I'll see you guys next video. Shout out to my brother Mo right there. But yeah, man, holla at him, man, from NFTs, man. Holla at my brother Mo from NFTs. But I'm gonna see you guys next video. Make sure you guys stack your sats and shields. You got Crypto Chuck here to group Crypto Black. We out of here, baby. Peace.